Welcome to day 7 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. So, we're just working on building your business or your brand or your journey, whatever you're working on, like whatever you want to grow on social media, whether it's a business or your brand. Well, that's what this 30-day momentum roadmap is for. So, this is day 7, and we're going to talk about your story based video plus a week 1 wrap. Okay, wrap up, like rewind, just talking about what you've learned during week 1. Okay, of this 30-day momentum roadmap. So, congratulations. You're still here. You took action. So, congratulations. I'm proud of you. Let's do this. So, today we're just going to just speak from your heart. Your story is your most powerful content. You're just sharing your story. Okay? Storytelling can make you so much money just by being real and just being speaking from the heart and being yourself. Okay? So, day 7, the easiest video you'll ever make, your story-based video. This should be the easiest video you ever create because it's just your story. So what it is, under 30 seconds or under a minute, your personal why in your own words. Like, why did you start your business? Why did you start your journey? Why did you start whatever it is that you're promoting? Okay, why are you doing it? Okay, make it emotional, honest, and relatable, speaking directly to your perfect customer, unpolished, real, and from the heart. The part of your story that connects with them. What it's not. It's not a sales pitch. It's not a product explanation. It's not a perfectly scripted performance. It's not a highlight reel of your success. It's not something you overthink. It's not something about the features or the program. Okay, just don't overthink it. Just speak from your heart and be real. So, what part of your story connects with them, your perfect customer, the person you're speaking to? Your perfect customer is generally a version of you before you found your solution. Okay. The part of your story that connects is the part they're currently living. So we're talking about the three main business industries: wealth, health, and relationships, just to give you some examples. So the wealth industry is like the burned out, underpaid version of you who had tried online business before and failed. Okay. Share the moment of financial stress, of trading time for money, of looking at your bank account in disbelief, whatever it is your story is. Like, for example, like, why did I start my business? Because my company cut my pay. And I realized I didn't want to get another job because I know if one job can cut my pay, any job can cut my pay. I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. I wanted to figure out how to make money outside of a job. And I tried many side hustles and nothing worked for me. And then one day I was scrolling on social media on Facebook and I found a post about this blueprint and I asked for information and the rest is history. Okay. So the health industry, the exhausted, frustrated version of you who had tried every diet, every workout, every approach and felt like your body was working against you. Share that emotional low point. Or if you're doing the relationship industry, the lonely, disconnected version of you who kept repeating the same patterns in relationships and wondering why. Share that moment you decided that this was no longer acceptable. So people connect to your why more than your website. So share the before, not just the after. The story video formula. So follow this structure, then put it in your own words, under 30 seconds. Speak to your perfect customer. The pain. I was tired of trading time for money and missing out on the things that matter most to me. The search. I tried everything. I was confused, overwhelmed, and honestly ready to quit. The discovery. Then I came across a blueprint that completely changed the way I looked at building income online. The possibility. I'm just getting started, but for the first time, I actually feel like this is possible for me. The invitation. If this sounds like you, put blueprint in the comments and I'll get you free access. So you can also use ChatGPT to help you figure out your story if you need some extra help with it. But just try to be real and speak from your heart and follow this structure and just figure out what your story is and then speak it. Okay, so week 1 wrap and reflection. You completed week 1 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. That alone puts you ahead of most people who say they want to build a business. Okay, so what you covered in week 1, you mapped your momentum, goal setting, perfect customer, clarity over perfection. Okay, day 2, choose your platform, one platform, go deep, avoid platform hopping. Okay, day 3, your brand story, pain, pivot, path, possibility, framework. Day 4, your first video, a short a short, real, valuable 7-second to 40-second video, just post it on social media. Day 5, optimize your profile, bio and formula, profile picture, link in the bio. Day 6, the power of stories using social media. Okay. This or that polls, repurposing, poll to lead strategy, And then day 7 is now your story-based video. Share your why, connect emotionally, invite them in. If something felt hard this week, go back and rewatch before moving to day 8. Don't just go through this to go through it. Go through this and actually implement what you learn. Okay. And master these things. Okay. So review, reflect, and adjust. Review your wins and name your struggles. Right? Rushing without reflection means leaving lessons on the table. Take 10 minutes. Okay. Your week 1 wins. What did I post this week? What got the most engagement? What felt natural and easy? What am I most proud of? Okay. Learning the skills and getting comfortable with them every day is what creates momentum. Now focus on what to adjust. What felt hard or uncomfortable? What did I avoid or put off? Where did I overthink instead of post? What do I need to go back to and rewatch? And today's content hooks. Okay, so 2 videos to create today. Today you have 2 pieces of content to create and share. Video 1, your personal story, today's main assignment. Share your story in under 30 seconds. Pain, search, discovery, possibility, invitation. This is the structure from slide 4 to speak it naturally in your own voice. Okay, CTA option, your call to action option. If this sounds like you, put blueprint in the comments and I'll give you free access. Add this at the end of your at the end if you're ready. Skip it if you're still building confidence. Both are fine. So whatever business you're promoting, whatever CTA you want to use the CTA. So video 2 is your week 1 reflection. Share what you've learned after going through this 30-day momentum blueprint roadmap. Okay. So week 1's biggest takeaway since launching my business. Here's what surprised me most about my first week in business. I didn't expect this. If you're thinking about starting, here's my advice after 7 days. Okay, so it could be about your business or it could be about this roadmap that you're going through. Whatever it is, do that video about that. So share your personal story and then a week 1 reflection about your business or going through this training. So day 7, that's it. Speak from your heart. Remember this, whenever you're creating content, just speak from your heart, be real, because that's what connects with people and connection equals currency. So record your story-based video, post it on your chosen social media platform, record your week 1 reflection video, share both links in the community comments, and then review your wins and what you want to adjust. Okay, so day 8 is tomorrow. You've built more than what most people ever will. Keep going, expect to win. Be magnificent. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.